it's me again, Ricky from International. And today, I'm gonna talk about how to speak perfect English. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't think that learning English is too difficult. Everything can be mastered if you work hard and practice enough. You can speak wonderful English and have perfect pronunciation if you just remember that learning English takes time. Try to find a friend so that you can study and practice English together. Don't bother worrying about your mistake. You taste with charming voices and pronunciation. Always follow along and repeat after the speaker on the tape. It's important to make English a part of your daily routine. You should take English as your food. Learn from every mistake that you make. You can speak English well. Remember it. So that's all about my video today and hope to see you next video. So now, goodbye and see you soon.